Sputnik presents SEO Setup for Beginners. This is a Shopify app that will help you to optimize pages for your SEO within 30 seconds or less. First, connect your Google AdWords account to the app. Don't have one? Create an AdWords account for free in 5 minutes or less. It's fast and simple. If you have any issues setting this up, just get in touch with our support team for free video instructions. After your AdWords account is connected, just go to the page that you would like to optimize for SEO. The target keyword box at the top of each page is the main functionality to the app. In this section, think of what your customers would like to type in on a Google search and enter that text into this box. Google will then start giving you keyword suggestions on how customers can find that page on Google. Click on the most relevant keyword, and the SEO setup will optimize the entire page for you in one click. Just click Save, and then you're done. You can access the app from your computer, tablet, or smartphone. It's just that easy. SEO Setup for Beginners by Sputnik.